Infinite density, can it not exist? Does infinite density exist? According to some physicists, they say yes, but is this plausible? Plausible is something that is reasonable, acceptable, admissible, capable, credible, probable. First we need to accept, is the universe magical or real? What does it mean to say magical or real? Magic is what everything we dream of can be. In other words, the universe is just a dream, and everything is just madness. Reality is what we define as existing, and its existence cannot be changed. So if we say that the speed of light is about 300,000 kilometers per second, then the speed of light is about 300,000 kilometers per second. But if the universe is magical, that's not true. It's just something that can be seen, but can be transformed into anything. Therefore, the acceptance of infinite density is one of those magical concepts of the universe. If there is infinite density, then the limit on the speed of light also does not exist. In fact, the laws we know do not exist either. In the ideology of some physicists, in a black hole the mass is concentrated in one point, because the density is the mass divided by the volume. If I say that the volume is zero, the density becomes infinite. But for the volume to be zero, the universe has to be magical. Because we define that if something has zero volume, we are saying that it no longer exists. And if it's not there anymore, why does it generate the gravitational field? It should, as if by magic, cease to exist or have a non-zero volume. And if it is not zero, the value of that volume must follow laws to not be zero. And if it follows laws to not be zero, then those laws must be seen in the universe. Therefore, it is a decision of infinite density. Either we accept magic or we accept reality. Light does not travel faster than 300,000 kilometers per second, so there is a limitation system in the universe. The universe cannot be something like magic. It has constant constraints, which we call universal constants. If these universal constants are not constants, then reality does not exist and therefore not everything exists. But if I am writing this text, then I exist. If I didn't exist, this text wouldn't exist. In this way, existence itself defines that magic does not exist. According to some scientists, the black hole acquires the force of gravity, which, using the following law, determines the division of the universe. Shear is a deformation of something, which is why scientists define it as a spatial rupture, becoming a black hole. Thus, magic appears. At the central point of the black hole we have magic, on the outer side of the black hole we have physical laws again. Magic interacts with laws. Would this be plausible? Between magic and physical laws, what is there? A difference in the concentration of magic until the magic is cancelled. Then, outside the black hole, magic ceases to exist, and the deeper you are into the black hole, the more magic occurs, until at its center there is only magic and no physical laws. For the magic to cease to exist, all that is needed is a volume reduction override system. For mass must be considered physical and not magical. A limiting system of the universe is simple to accept that there are organized and constant laws obeyed. All laws and constants must have limits to these rules. Without these rules, everything that exists must leave the universe and disappear or completely destroy the universe. Thus, we can imagine the universe as limiting blocks. Everything that exceeds the rules is imprisoned by these blocks. Thus, a black hole is not a hole, it is simply a system limited so that light does not travel above 300,000 kilometers per second. So the black hole has volume, and that volume is limited by these blocks, in which time is stopped. Thus, the more mass, the more volume of zero time is trapped, deforming space to the limit of imprisonment. In fact, space is not deformed until it exceeds the laws of the universe, but it is deformed to the maximum. Therefore, the density limitation is linked to the speed of light that does not exceed 300,000 kilometers per second. Imagining, breaking spacetime, is automatically imagining destroying the universe, because as this effect does not disappear, the universe would have to be destroyed, because it would be an error of the laws, and, if it is an error of the laws, it cannot be linked to the laws. Therefore, infinite density cannot exist and the black hole must obey physical laws and their constants. Hello, our video has ended, but you will find much more news on our YouTube channel, Busca de Verdade, and on our website reformadoresdesod.com. News and videos and texts with various tips on health, historical themes, archaeological, educational, principles and virtues, mathematics and physics, geography and science, methodologies, and much more. Join our channel and our website and you will see millions of topics covered there. Do not waste time. Knowledge is power. We wait for you there. Until later.